Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I have come to Knocking Hoe Nature Reserve in Bedfordshire. This is in the Chiltern Hills and I'll just give you a view of the hills. There we are, that's Knocking Hoe. Very beautiful. Just look at the sunset. Beautiful day. A bloody hot day, but a beautiful one. And hopefully if I creep up you might be able to see the very pretty sheep. Very cute. I bet they're glad they've had their coat sheared. Hello. You are cute, aren't you? Apparently these are meant to be quite a rare breed, but I seem to see them quite a lot around here. No, don't be scared, I'm not gonna... Hey, yo! God, you are beautiful. You're a bit harsh, I think. You've only got one horn. One horn. What's happened to your other horn? Anyway, I'm talking to a sheep at the moment, so yeah, this is Knocking Hoe Nature Reserve in the Chiltern Hills. And it's very beautiful. Oh, poor little sheep's all panting. So yeah, I'm going to carry on talking to this sheep and see you later.